Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI by Google. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to go to Google Gemini website. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so over here you can see we are logged in to our Gemini AI. So over here you can just talk to the Gemini AI. So let's insert some message. So yeah, if you have used ChatGPT before, Gemini AI should not be more difficult for you to use. However, there are some new features and some exciting features that Gemini AI offers. So over here on the left hand side you can see the option for settings. Click over here and now click on extensions. And just like Google Chrome extensions, there are extensions for Gemini AI. So over here you have to enable this Google Workspace extension, and others are enabled by default. So if you enable this Google Workspace extension, what you can do is you can access the files. The Gemini AI can access the files that is in your Google Drive. So for example, let's create a new chat over here and let's start a conversation with Gemini AI. So over here you can just type at Google Drive, and now you can give it a prompt to summarize whatever you have on that Google Drive. So over here I'm just going to prompt it to summarize the PDF, and here you can see you have to write your PDF name that you have uploaded in Google Drive. So once you write this prompt in this format, the Gemini AI will summarize the PDF for you. So now let's head on to Google Drive and see what's the PDF's name. So here you can see I have uploaded a PDF over here. So what you can do is just copy this name. So let's copy the name of PDF and now go to Gemini AI once again. So now let's paste the PDF's name and hit enter. Alright, so after waiting for some time, here the extension is working and you can see we have a summarization of the PDF over here. Another cool thing what you can do over here is type at YouTube and now search for any topics that you like. So now let's search for some calisthenics. And as you can see, the extension is working and here it has listed some calisthenics videos. So this way Gemini AI can provide you with some YouTube videos as well if you ask for it. Alright, so next what Gemini AI can do is write your emails. So here if you give Gemini AI for the prompt at Gmail, and if you prompt it to write email, it will write you an email that is nearly perfect. So here let's give it a prompt to write email. So here you can see Gemini AI has successfully written a leave application mail. So yeah, that was some quick tutorial on how to use Gemini AI. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.